Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the rules of negative numbers in terms of timesing and dividing. So what we're going to look at is what happens if we times all different variations of positive and negative numbers and if we divide all the different variations of positive and negative numbers. So this is going to be a little quick rule sheet that you can refer back to. So the first one we've got is positive times a positive, and that's always so easy, and that's going to give us a positive answer. Then we've got negative times a positive. Now if you have one negative and one positive, or in other words, if these signs are different, the answer is going to be negative. When we have a negative and a negative, these signs are the same. So it's a bit like this one here. Both signs are the same. We got a positive. Here, both signs are the same. We're going to get a positive. This is the one that quite often confuses people the most. So remember, two negatives make a positive. You might have heard that phrase. Specifically very useful for maths. So two negatives make a positive. And we have very similar rules for dividing. So if it's positive divided by positive, it's going to be positive. They're both the same. If it's different, if we have positive divided by negative, it's going to be a negative number. And last but not least, if we have negative divided by negative, they're both the same, so we get a positive answer. So this is a very quick way of looking at all the different variations and what your answers would be. But an even better and quicker way to remember it is just remember the phrase, two negatives make a positive. Have a look at your question, whatever the question is. If you have two negatives, it's going to be positive. If you only have one negative, it's going to be negative. I really hope that helps. Any questions, pop them in the comments.